Hello, my journey with just two meals a day. So, I have been on this two meals lifestyle for more than a year now. I started it in last August and now it's November. So, in from August 2019 to now November 2020, I have been eating only two meals a day, and what changes I felt in myself that I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so my one meal is drinkable. That wasn't much of a whole meal. It was smoothie with lots of veggies and of course all the fresh produce and superfoods. And the other meal was a pretty much the normal regular meal with some carbs, proteins, and it was plant based. So what differences I felt and how I started it. So when I started it, the first week was definitely very hard because I was in the regime of having two snacks and three meals a day. And of course my first meal, the breakfast, was always the smoothie, which I shifted to the lunch hour. But just not having those two snacks did change my life a lot. And first 2 3 days I felt very nauseatic. I felt cranky, and it wasn't easy. I didn't feel much heartburn or any kind of those digestive issues, but I just felt like having something the way I was, because my brain was so trained to have the snacks at those times. But I observed the changes on three different fronts. I'll tell you physically, then you can say emotionally or spiritually, and the other is economically. So, physically, for me, it wasn't for weight loss as such because I was always on my healthier weight range. But a lot of people do it for weight loss and they do feel or see a lot of difference. I had pretty much plateaued and I ate a healthier any for to start with. But I did see a lot of difference in especially the inches. My clothes started fitting me differently. I didn't lose many pounds, but I lost a couple of pounds though. But I felt very healthier, and especially I got very defined jawline then. I was little on the chubbier side, and it did feel better. And definitely my hair grew. Then there I had some issues with sinus and inflammation. I felt that went away. So there are a lot of changes I started seeing eventually. And it wasn't that after the first week it was very easy for me right away. There were some dips in between, but I stick to the routine and it has helped me a lot. The on the second front, that I would suggest is after physically seeing the changes, spiritually or mentally, what I saw is there was no brain fog. I felt more creative. I felt more focused, and I felt a lot of energy because that was the reason I started this regime. Me being in early 40s, I did see a lot of changes in myself, especially after mid afternoon. My energy level will just drop down. So I did see the difference in that range, that I feel energetic till at least 9 p.m. and I can work and focus better till then. And I'm an early riser, so it's very easy to get up early because of feeling so light. So it did help a lot. Economically, of course, me being on the family of with the family of four of us, kids and my husband, and we were continuously having the snacks and meals. So it was a lot of work for me to always keep track of snacks and go grocery shopping and always worry about the next meal or put everything together. So it became very easy lifestyle with just two meals. And snacks are mostly fruits for kids if they want to, but now everybody is in this regime of having only two meals and two proper meals. Especially kids can have the whatever they want for the meal, and me and my husband, we go for smoothies, which has helped. But for some days, if we have worked out a lot or our exercise was rigorous in the morning, I'll usually have some nuts with my smoothie, or avocado, or some kind of fruits and peanut butter and something like that. So that helped me keep more energy and keep me satiated. So that has been a great experience for me. So if you are planning to have two meals or three meals and not snacking in between, on this kind of intermittent fasting or time restricted eating regime, please please try it because it's worth trying and it does help a lot. It won't be easy, but it's not impossible. And if you need any help, please leave a comment and I'll be very happy to help you or guide you with my experience. And if you have tried it, please leave your comment and let me know how you felt about it. And please subscribe today because you will be able to get all the notifications. And of course, don't forget to check out the other videos and like, subscribe, share, and keep commenting. Take care.